Good day everyone, this is Lixter Idiparini, Best in 2 major in English with the subject of Introduction to Linguistics, MC 101. So we are now in the activity 2, drills and exercises for practicing the English vowel and diphthong sounds. First, the high front vowel. Initial, it, era, il, aeon, eve, medial, tin, kin, lane, knit, sim, final, t, te, t, t, p, c, she, praises, peaceful Easter Eve, airy sound of the sea, sentences, she always feels sleepy in the theater. Second one, there was a feast on the beach. Now let's proceed. The lower high front vowel, initial, it, s, il, ilk, f, medial, tin, kin, bill, kick, lest, final, city, clarity, duty, AC, earthy, praises, deeply miss him, lead in the circuit, sentences, pick that loaded desk, fill the jar with cookies and biscuits. Now let's proceed to the higher mid front vowel, initial, aim, ape, apex, eight, eight, medial, make, mel, babe, wade, pace, final, expose, bouquet, crotchet, fillet, away, praises, Ethan angels and saints, take the bouquet, sentences, she plays the fairy at the ballet presentation. Hey, they may come today. Now let's proceed to the low front vowel, initial, ask, am, ant, ak, ad, medial, cut, cup, latch, catch, can, praises, class champ, action, and adventure, sentences, tangerines and tamarinds have an acid test. The actor has an arm tattoo. So let's proceed to the low central vowel, initial, R, art, arc, arm, arctic, medial, car, thar, far, bar, mar, final, spa, sonata, bourgeois, baccarat, squaw, praises, fond of olives, a cottage in the farm, sentences, they ordered hot spot, they ordered hot pot soup. At the opera, the concert singers sang an aria. The higher low back vowel, initial, ow, owl, oral, orbit, organ, medial, wall, loan, load, fall, coat, final, low, song, coast, dorm, toll, praises, coat the fawn, flora, and fauna. Sentences. He saw a slight flaw in the diamond. In the orchard, orchard were orange trees. The mid background vowel. Initial. Omp. Oops. Umlaut. Mithial. Took. Cook. Brook. Shook. Look. Phrases. Pull the wool rug. A gourmet and a cook. Sentences. Batch is a good cook and a gourmet. This is your brochure on tourism. The high background vowel. Initial. Ooze. Ozy. Odals. Oolong. Oso. Mithial. Cool. Pull. Full. Tool. Rough. Final. You. To. Ku. Woo. New. Phrases. Brand new two-seller coupe. Shoe the rooster. Sentences. To call himself, Paul swam in the deep pool. Duke and Ruth go on an ocean cruise. Let's proceed to the mid-central vowels. The mid-central vowel. Initial. As. Up. Off. Oven. Ultra. Mithial. Cut. Hut. Nut. Won. One. Phrases. Summer months. Won some money. Sentences. The water pump is useful during the summer months. The ugly puppy had fun playing the sun. Let's proceed to the mid-central vowel. Initial. Alert. Agree. Akin. Alarm. Appeal. Mithial. Subside. Confess. Control. Caution. Custom. Final. Soda. Pasta. Panda. Data. Toga. Phrases. Pasta and pizza. Diddley bow and piranha. Sentences. Filipinos love Italian pasta, noodles, and pizza. The piranha is a very deadly fish. Let's proceed to the mid-central vowel. Initial. Initial. Ear. Earn. Ear. Irk. Urge. Mithial. Curd. Bird. Torn. Born. Bird. Final. Fur. Sir. Fear. Cour. Here. Phrases. Dirty urchin. The current turmoil. Sentences. The little girls made a curtsy at the princess. The cart swerved on the corner a jerky motion. The mid-central vowel. Mithial. Perceive. Percent. Bermuda. Certificate. Ferment. Final. Player. Worker. Earner. Merger. Reacher. Phrases. The color of the collar. Cleaver. Factory worker. Sentences. The color of his shirt collar has faded. Children are fast learners. The diphthong. Initial. I. Ice. Isle. Isles. Icon. Mithial. Size. Mine. Hide. Wide. Sight. Final. Sigh. High. Fly. Cry. Spy. Phrases. Arrive alive. A fine night. Sentences. Albert Einstein won a Nobel Prize. One fine night, they saw a bright light on the horizon. The diphthong. Initial. Hour. Hour. Ouch. Out. Owl. Mithial. Bound. Found. Pound. Round. Town. Final. Cow. How. Vow. Now. Plow. Phrases. Loud sound our townhouse. Sentences. The children found a mound of sand in the ground. The founder was ousted from his position. The diphthong. Initial. Oil. oily, ointment, oilcloth, oyster, medial, coil, boil, soil, toil, coin, final, boy, coy, enjoy, annoyed, employ, praises, boisterous crowd, loiter at the foyer. Sentences. The voters rejoice on the victory of their choice. So thank you so much everyone for listening and God bless.